Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about this Redragon gamer keyboard. So this saves so much space on your computer desk. I also love that it has this magnetic detachable little wrist pad right here, so your hand can kind of be elevated off of the computer desk by about ½ an inch. So you have a lot of little programmable keys up top and on the sides right here. It has a very nice click noise, which I really enjoy, and you have all of the buttons that you really need in order to play your PC computer games. This is a huge 10 out of 10 for me because of the fact that it is one-handed and wrist friendly. I have pretty sensitive wrists, so this feels nice as well. I also like the sound of the clicking one. You have anti-ghosting with a full key rollover as well as dynamic color RGB background, which I am going to show you guys in my next video. So stick around, we're going to plug it in, but overall, first looks, this is fantastic. I'm going to flip everything over just so you can see the bottom. This is a little rubbery piece right here, so it's very grippy. It keeps it from sliding around. And then if you flip this over, you have more little rubber grips at the bottom, and they already come like this, so you don't have to attach them yourself.